Health Minister Dr Aaron Motsoaledi has slammed workers who protested at the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital in Johannesburg. He says healthcare workers should never put lives at risk. We cross to Nickolaus Bauer now, who was at that particular briefing. Now, Nickolaus, we took Dr Aaron Motsoaledi and Dr Gwen Ramakgopa's briefing live, but take our viewers back, if you will, to what actually happened, leading them to take the hard line they took a short while ago.
Well, there was an unprotected strike action at the Charlotte Maxeke Academic Hospital today. Workers affiliated to various health and allied workers unions such as NAHAWU and others went on an unprotected strike due to unpaid performance bonuses that were allegedly due to them in December, and as such prevented various services being executed at the hospital. They themselves were in majority support staff, so in other words, cleaners and porters that gurney patients from various floors to another, and also a handful of nurses. But just to paint that picture once again, Voyo, Aaron Motsoaledi was absolutely livid. Livid would be an understatement, essentially saying that he cannot condone the behavior of people behaving like animals. And he even went on to say that animals, at the very least, protect the young and the sick, and decrying the moves from these protesters here, and essentially calling for the swiftest action to be taken from them, and also ensuring and also promising, vowing that services will run smoothly at Charlotte Maxeke Academic Hospital for the next couple of days and into the future, saying that everything is back to normal as we speak.
Do we know if the government and the hospital intend taking these workers or doing anything about what happened today? Beyond simply condemning
Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, the health minister, said that he will be calling for the swiftest action possible and the strongest action to be taken against these people that went on this unprotected strike. And he said that he will call on law enforcement agencies to do a better job than they did today, with him recalling how he heard from various doctors and also patients that the SAPS just watched while these workers in unprotected strike completely ran amok at the Charlotte Maxeke Academic Hospital, and he's called on all evidence of these protesters running amok within the walls of this medical institution to be used against them, and those that have been found to run foul of the law in the most serious terms need to be dealt with in the most serious terms as well. He stopped just short of saying that they will be dismissed. This is, of course, a country of laws, and as such, anybody that is found to have transgressed labour laws and acted in an untoward way will face all sorts of hearings and face the full might of the law in itself. But Aaron Motsoaledi, unequivocal, saying that he cannot in any way condone the behaviour that was undertaken here today.
Nickolaus Bauer, let's leave it there for now. Nickolaus, of course, will be rushing back, and we'll be hearing more from him on that story a little later on.